Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I prepared this amazing banana upside down cake. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Also guys, please go and follow me on Instagram at Alice's_kitchen. Now let us bake. Okay guys, so first things first, you want to slice your bananas, and I'm using 1.5 bananas, and you just want to slice those and set them aside. Now for the topping, I'm adding brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. You just want to combine all that together. Then you're going to add your melted butter. Now you just want to mix those together until it forms a paste. Now guys, I'm using a loaf pan, but you guys can use a baking dish or even a baking tin if you guys have. But I'm using a loaf pan. Now I'm going to spread that sugar mixture evenly. Then I'm going to arrange the bananas on top of that sugar. Okay guys, now to make the batter, first I'm going in with melted butter. Give it a quick whisk. Then I'm gonna be adding my brown sugar. I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below, so please be sure to check that out. Vanilla extract, one large egg, then my dry ingredients, which include flour, baking powder and soda, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Then I'm gonna add my milk, give it a quick whisk. Then I'm gonna be adding my mashed bananas. You're gonna whisk that a bit until it's smooth. Then I'm gonna be adding my chopped pecan. If you guys are allergic to nuts, you can go ahead and omit this ingredient. Now guys, I'm pouring the batter over the bananas, and you want to bake this in a preheated oven at a temperature at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. And here it is guys, out of the oven. Now I'm gonna turn it over and look at this gorgeousness. Just look at this beautiful creation. This was nothing short of amazing guys. It was so good, so delicious. I went ahead and I served this with ice cream. You guys can eat it as it is. I also went ahead and I drizzled some caramel sauce on top of that, and also added some chopped pecan. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.